po ang IMG ay nagbibuild ng wealth. IMG is also building and creating a better future for themselves and their families and this whole country.
And this whole country and for generations to come.
That's right.
Totoo yan ganyan talaga. I completely agree, boy. Through the years, IMG has been a beacon of hope for countless Filipinos who want to take control of their finances and of their lives. They've been empowering people with the knowledge and skills to make informed decisions about how to protect and grow their money.
Tama yun. Alam mo, that's the best. That's really the best. And it's not just about financial education, it's about changing lives. Ganda sa akin ng changing lives.
Mother Claire.
Maraming mga Pilipino po ang nabiktima ng financial scam. It's a private joke.
Between boy and me.
Oo, marami talagang niloloko ngayon. Marami. At patuloy na niloloko. Maraming mga Pilipino po ang nabaot sa utang noon at ngayon malaya na sa usaping pinansyal because IMG has been making a real difference in the lives of Filipinos at that's something na tunay na ikinaproud nating lahat.
Congratulations to everyone who started this because it is here to stay. Correct ka dyan, boy. And now, we are celebrating the entrepreneurial spirit of IMG members who have taken their financial future to the next level. It is time to recognize our entrepreneur awardees who have successfully built their own offices or financial centers in the Philippines and abroad. Kumbaga, sila ang mga big time na ngayon, hindi ba?
Tama.
And the presenters for this category are